Hey guys, this is Nox, and we're going to do an unboxing today. So I have just got in my Alienware giant box. It is the Alienware R12 computer tower, and I am super excited to get this unboxed, so let's get at it. Wow, that's a lot of empty space. There is the beauty. Oh my goodness. So I do gotta make a point on the packaging. As you can see, it has seed leaves in it. Just sitting on the outside, but this here was facing a hole in the box that was completely open to the weather outside. So I wasn't happy about that, and as you can see, it's got dust on it. I can clean that up, but the fact that it was open to the outside weather, could have been raining, a lot of things could have been happening. I didn't like that there was a hole in the box. So there was that. Okay, so here is the R12 on the desk. It is massive. It is a big boy. So let's get this off of here. Okay, so on the front of the computer, we have the first two slots are USB 3.2 Gen 1. The third slot there is USB 3.2 Gen 1 plus the power sharing. And then we have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C plus power sharing. And then we also have a headset out and a mic out for the front of the computer. On the back of the computer, we can see quite a few ports there. So starting at the top on the left, we have a TOS link, SPDIF. And then on the next over, it's the SPDIF coaxial port there. And coming down, we have a USB 2.0 for all of those top ones, the top two, and then the bottom four there are all USB 2.0. The other one is for your Ethernet cable. Then just below that, we have a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C. Below those, the blue ones, we've got USB 3.2 Gen 2. And then for the first one, the last three are USB 3.2 Gen 1. Down there, we've got all of our audio connectors. I'll let you look at those symbols there. Standard stuff. Then we have added area for more hard drives. And there we go. So that is the back of the computer. Sexy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Nox.